What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another review with Get Free with Annie. That's me. Let's get right into this review. What is the best way to do affiliate marketing, and is it even still profitable in 2022? These are some questions that I'm going to answer. And also, I just want to tell you guys that I'm in my bathrobe because it's comfortable and I'm lazy. And you know what? Hugh Hefner was in a robe for most of his adult life, and he was a boss. Also, I'm wearing bleached trays because multitasking, boss bitch, okay? Anyways, let's jump right into this review. It's about YouTube Affiliate Marketing Mastery 2.0. This is a course that you can get on Udemy. And basically what it is, it's a course that primarily shows you how to create your own YouTube channel and then monetize it mostly through affiliate marketing. Okay, oh, my teeth are all sticky now. Okay. So this course teaches you how to create a YouTube channel, all the basics of doing that, how to make money through affiliate marketing using your YouTube channel as your platform where you put your links to products that you're selling and then get commissions. That's what affiliate marketing is. If you don't know, basically you don't have a product, you promote other people's products, and when somebody buys it using your link, you get a commission, usually 30 to 50%. So this course is offered by Udemy and it's one of their best sellers. I am not surprised by that because it's exactly what I'm doing. I use YouTube, use affiliate marketing. I wholeheartedly recommend this as an online business. So what is included in this course? The first basic training that's included is content marketing, meaning you create valuable content to get people to your channel. You talk about things that they're interested in, or you write about things that they're interested in and then turn it into a video, and then you monetize around it. So Instagram video creation is also included, as well as Instagram marketing. Instagram Reels are becoming more and more popular. They're trying to keep up with TikTok. These short form vertical videos are really just exploding right now. So Instagram's trying to do that. He teaches that. He also teaches Facebook video creation and marketing. Facebook ads are very, very difficult to master, and you usually end up spending all of your money on your ads. So this isn't my favorite topic that he teaches, but if you can learn how to create good videos on Facebook and get engagement without paying for ads, then that's great. But I wish that he was teaching more TikTok than Facebook, to be honest. I feel like TikTok is in its way in and Facebook is on its way out. But that's what he teaches, is Instagram and Facebook. And then, of course, YouTube SEO, search engine optimization, tags, keywords, how to create a good title, a good description, and also how to create professional thumbnails for your YouTube videos. He includes that because unlike with books, people do judge YouTube videos by their cover. Your thumbnail is super important. He also teaches editing and blogging your videos, so that's included as well because you're not going to get it right the first time. Trust me, you're going to have to do some editing. So he does teach that too. And then he does teach you how to repurpose your YouTube videos into a podcast and grow on a platform called Anchor. That's really cool. I really like that. So how does this course work? Basically, you can see that with this course, YouTube will be the main source of traffic that you're driving to your affiliate links. So this course is made up of videos and PDFs for you to train with. You get 13 hours of video, 7 articles, 25 downloadable resources, and then you get a certificate of completion at the end. And when you're done, you'll have a YouTube channel. You'll know how to create, edit, and monetize your videos, and you will know how to turn them into podcasts and monetize that as well through affiliate affiliate links, affiliate marketing. So that's kind of how it works in a nutshell. So who is this course good for? He kind of gives you his. Here, I'm going to give you mine. I think that this course would be good if you just want a basic understanding of how to start a YouTube channel and use it as an affiliate marketing platform. It's a good place to start to see if you really want to do this as a passive income business, because it's very cheap and it teaches you the very basics, the minimum, so you're not paying, $5,000 and going through a 6-month long program just to find out that maybe this isn't for you. So it would be, if you're just dipping your toes, you don't really know if you want to do this for sure and you just want to try it out, this might be a good place to start. Also, if you already know that you want to start a long-term passive income business and you're just ready to dive in all the way, I don't recommend this course. I think it's just too basic. I don't think that it is for people who have already taken courses and none of them have really gotten you where you wanted to be. You've already taken some and you're just trying to make money with affiliate marketing. You're trying to get to $10,000 a month plus, which is what most of our goals are, and you're ready to really dive in full force and start a long-term online passive income business, then I don't think that this course is for you, because it's just a little bit too basic. If that is exactly what you want to do, you want to jump in, start right now, you want your business to explode $10,000 a month plus, you're ready to dive in, put in the work, and you want to start your online business right now, full force, the course that I recommend is linked in the description below. Lastly, if you are already an affiliate marketer and you really just need to learn how to use a new platform, you need to learn how to use YouTube for your affiliate marketing to add into your business, to get more traffic, to get more money, I also don't think that this is the best course for you. Again, check out my recommendation in the description below. Pros. There is no pressure to buy this course. It's not like you have to buy it right now, otherwise it's going to be $1 million. It does say like that there's a discount and you should buy it now to get the best price, but as far as I can tell, it always says that. It's never going to not be discounted. So there's no pressure to buy. It's not scammy. There's not a bunch of outlandish promises. It's very, very affordable. So affordable. I think it's so affordable because it's so basic, but it is very affordable. It has a legit instructor teaching you the basics of YouTube. He's got a big YouTube following. He's successful, so he's legit. Everything in this course is very step-by-step and easy to follow. It's good for very complete beginners that don't really know which way to go. Cons, there is no done-for-you content. There's no templates or already built things for you. For the price, I don't really expect there to be. And then also, the course is a bit too fast-paced. He talks really fast and he goes through stuff really fast without really fully explaining it. So that's a little bit of a con. And then just, it's very, very basic. You could probably find a lot of this stuff on YouTube for free. It would take you a little bit longer to find it all. So it's all kind of in one place here. That's why you're paying for it. But it is very basic. So I'm going to give you my opinion on what a better alternative would be, and that is Tube Affiliate Success Academy. If you have the funds for it, it is not as cheap as the one that I am reviewing right now. It is a much better course. It does have a ton more content. It's got done for you everything. The basics are the same. It's teaching you how to be an affiliate marketer using YouTube. However, the focus is on traffic. He's basically teaching you how to get traffic to any product, any service, anything you want, how to get traffic to it, how to get on the top of Google in less than 24 hours. And really, it's less than 24 minutes. I've done it. I've gone through it. It's almost immediate. You're at the top of Google every time, which is amazing. If you're at the top of Google, you can sell literally anything. So he's teaching you how to get to the top of Google, how to get traffic, and then he's teaching you how to do that through YouTube. So basically, he's teaching you affiliate marketing, how to get traffic through YouTube. He does it in a little bit different way, but it is a similar concept to what this one is teaching as well. It's just got a lot more content. It's got a lot more done for you stuff, and you're going to get there. You're going to get to your $10,000 a month a lot faster. So it's called Tube Affiliate Success Academy. I'm going to link it in the description below. It's like having a mentor right next to you, telling you what to do next at each turn, and then handing you the tools to do that are already working for them. And I don't know about you, but for me, that's exactly what I needed, was somebody holding my hand, because I had never built an online business. I had never done affiliate marketing. And there's all these courses that are like, do this, do that, do it this way. But you've never done that. And it's like, for me, I'm used to being in a classroom, hands-on teaching. And so that's what this felt like. I just kept feeling like I needed a mentor to help me how to get me to that next level. Instead of just doing all these courses, I needed a real mentor. And that's what this course feels like. You do have to pay more money for that. I'm just going to be honest with you. But if you're really serious about starting your own affiliate marketing business, and YouTube is where you're looking, which you should be, because YouTube is the best platform out there. Google owns YouTube. So if you're good on YouTube, you're good on Google, and you're good everywhere. So if you're really serious about starting your own affiliate marketing business, and you're tired of just like trying different things and dipping your toes, and you never really get far enough to really make any money, then stop getting shiny object syndrome and buying this course and buying that course and giving up on it and buying another one. Just pick a good one, invest in it, one that will really help you start your business. You're going to have to invest more to do that, and then just put your mind to it and make it happen. That's what this is. No more fluff, no more excuses, no more hours wasted. Just do it. So that's my recommendation. Linked in the description below. Tube Affiliate Success Academy. I will link it. Check it out. Testimonials and other reviews about this course. This course has good reviews from students, and it's got a lot. Some include words like helpful, good quality, easy to understand, basic, and valuable content. Excellent course. I am impressed. Some other reviews talk about it being short and to the point, which people like. Lots of people have said that it is very fast talking and hard to follow. Those are almost all of the negative reviews are saying that. Some of them even say almost impossible to follow because of how fast the instructor goes. Overall, the vibe from other reviews is that it is a good course, as you can see, but it doesn't have a ton of content, and it can be hard to follow. It's very basic. It's very easy to understand. It's a good place if you just want to dip your toes, things like that. So I hope you get a good feel from all that. So what does it cost? You may have already seen it on my screen, but the cost of this course right now at this point is $19.99, 84% off, down from $125. It has been on sale for even less than this. I think once it was on sale for like $11.99, but I've never not seen it on sale. I've never not seen it at this price. Even though it says 2 days left at this price, it's probably going to be at some other discounted price after that. So there is no rush. I don't think it's going to go back up to $125. Refunds and guarantees. There's always a 30-day money-back guarantee with Udemy courses, so that is awesome. So my final thoughts are that this is a good basic course if you are a complete beginner and you don't really know yet if affiliate marketing is what you want to do yet. This would be a good course to dip your toes. If you're going to be an affiliate marketer, YouTube is the best platform in my opinion. And if you've taken a few courses already and none of them have really gotten you to where you want to be, $10,000 a month plus, and you're ready to dive in full force and really make that happen, I don't think that this is a full, complete, good enough course for you. So, having said all that, my final verdict, I do recommend it if you can't afford the other course that I recommend, and if you don't really know for sure if you want to be an affiliate marketer yet, you just kind of want to dip your toes and see if you like it, then I do recommend this course. It's a good, affordable course. I do not recommend it if you are serious about starting a real long-term affiliate marketing, passive income online business, and you can afford to invest a little bit in yourself, maybe about as much as your last iPhone cost. There are better, more complete courses like the one I have linked in the description below. Hope you enjoyed this review with Get Free with Annie. Go out and get free.